AI app store is here, and it's not hosted by Apple. It's called Spaces, and it's on Hugging Face. With over 400,000 apps, there's literally an AI for almost anything you can imagine. So once you get into Spaces, it's essentially a directory for hundreds of thousands of AI apps, and there's tons of categories here, from image generation, video generation, 3D modeling, object detection. I mean, literally the list goes on forever. Or you can just ask AI up here, but let's check a few of them out. Let's check out speech synthesis, and let's do this voice cloning one. All right, let's use the voice of Jeff Goldblum and have him say something. Let's have him say, "I'm Jeff Goldblum and I think dinosaurs are real. Don't believe me?"
Hey there, it's me, Jeff Goldblum, and I think dinosaurs are real. Don't believe me?
They even have the inflection, the quintessential Jeff Goldblum voice there. All right, let's check out another one, 3D modeling. We're gonna drop in an image here, and it's gonna give us a 3D rendering of it. I'm just gonna drop in this cartoon drawing and say, generate the shape and texture. And here it is, we have a 3D model of the cartoon we just created, which is pretty crazy. It's got depth and everything to it. That's insane. The coolest thing is you can come in here and add and create your own apps. Just go to create a new space, just fill out these details, and you can use Streamlit or Gradio or Docker to host any type of app here. Go check out Spaces, it's really cool. A ton of awesome tools. They have something called Spaces of the Week, which are the top apps from the week as well.
Whether you want to generate the images, write code, or even clone your voice, just type in the search bar your need and start using the tool. Here's how it works. Head over to Hugging Face and click on Spaces. Spaces are basically AI apps, and Hugging Face hosts over 500,000 of them. And now they made it super easy to find the perfect AI tool for you. You can either search by category or type what you need in the search bar to get hundreds of results. Click on any AI tool and start using it. The Spaces are free to use, but they come with daily limits depending on the tool and the resources it needs. So there is no fixed limit. The more GPU a tool requires, the less usage you will get. And if you want to increase your daily limit, you can upgrade to a pro account, which is about $10 per month.